Hello friends, welcome back in Ankita's tutorial. In previous video we learned some basic tags of HTML program. So now here we are going to see container tags versus empty tags. So first see what is the term tag. Tag comprises the text enclosed in angular brackets. Tags are also known as elements. There are two types of tags, container tags and empty tags. The tags which require open and close commands are called container tags. These tags are used in pairs, that is start and end tags. It is also called on and off tags. For example, HTML start, HTML close. Close means /HTML. The tag which do not require a closing tag is called empty tag. An empty tag has only on tag. Example, BR. BR is used for break the line. So let's see these all tags in practically. Here I have basic structure of HTML program. In this, starting with HTML and close /HTML. So this is called container tag. Then head close, title close, body close. These all tags are known as container tag. Now we will see some empty tags, and in this body part we will write some text that will display on the web browser. So I am writing here types of tags. Then next line, first type is container tags, and second line, that is empty tags. Now save the changes. Here we have to save our file. So here I am writing tags .html. .html is the extension, and this is mandatory in HTML program. Then click on save. This file is saved on desktop, so we will check on the desktop. Tags.html, double click on this. See what happened. This is my output, but these all things are displayed on the same line. Types of tags 1, container tags 2, empty tag. We want to take these two lines on the separately. So what we have to do, again go in notepad file. There use BR tag. BR is used for break the line. And as I said before, BR is a empty tag, so no need to close this. Here also we need one break, BR. Now save these changes and go to browser. Refresh here. See now the changes has done. Types of tags, container tags and empty tags. These three sentences displayed on the three separate line. So this is the use of BR tag. Now one more example I am going to show here of empty tag is HR tag. That we will write here. Before writing BR, I will write here HR. Then we will get here one horizontal line, HR. This is also empty tag, so no need to close this. Save this, go to browser and refresh. See here the output is displayed. After first line there is one horizontal row, and then container tags and empty tags. If you want to take more row, then every time you have to write there HR. Just take this sentence on the new line and type there HR. Press Ctrl S, go to browser and refresh. So like this HR, this is the use of HR and BR tags. Hope you understand this.